Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So there are fireworks and I'm gonna show you guys some. Guys, so we are at our lake house. As you can see, this is like not my house.
This is the lake right there.
Wait, Sophia is right there.
That's the lake.
And I don't know if you see it, but that's the water. Okay. So there are fireworks. They're
find,
right there.
Somewhere
there.
where they're glare.
So I don't want you guys to miss them. So I'm just filming it. So guys, I'll tell you a little bit about our lake house. The lake is like really nice. So we're gonna wait till we like think there's gonna be one.
I'm gonna go get something.
Yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat.
It's quick.
I'm gonna get it on video if you miss it. Okay, I'm not missing it. I'm taking a video so I don't miss it. I got it on video, guys.
Did I miss one?
Yes, you did. I got on video though. You just missed that, guys. So it's gonna be like time lapse kind of, but I'm gonna edit it in. Oh, you like my nails? Okay, I'm gonna edit the time lapse in. 3, 2, 1. You missed it! Fireworks! No, I didn't miss it. A fly literally went on me. They're so pretty!
Imagine driving right when it's there.
Oh, that was so cool. Oh my god, wait, what the heck is going on?
They're different kind of fireworks.
Oh, that was so cool.
They're different types of fireworks.
Okay guys, I think we're gonna go back to the time lapse. Editing, Lucy, go ahead. Okay guys, so we're gonna get you guys when like, I don't know, but it's taking forever. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed.
We're just gonna be watching the fireworks.
We definitely enjoyed, so love you guys, bye.